Have a TP file from an old Beyond TV recording or HETV capture and want to play it back? This is an MPEG transport stream container used by DVR and broadcast capture systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these Beyond TV transport stream files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated TP file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. Users with TP files typically have video recordings created by Beyond TV, a digital video recorder, DVR software. Their primary goal is to play these high-definition recordings on modern devices or convert them to more common formats like MP4, as native support for the TP container is limited. The TP format is a container for MPEG-2 transport streams, TS, designed to capture digital television broadcasts directly without re-encoding. This preserves the original quality, including multiple audio tracks and metadata. Its structure is optimized for streaming and error resilience, not for widespread playback compatibility. The operating system preferentially attempts to open TP using VLC Media Player from VideoReDo project. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows supports video viewing, but custom export settings require proper editing software. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your TP file and select Open With. Test VLC Media Player if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If you cannot access the TP file, no problem. The highly specific nature of the TP file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, playing in VLC. Open VLC Media Player and drag the TP file into the playback window, or use Media then Open File. VLC handles transport streams natively decoding MPEG-2 and H.264 video with multiple audio track selection. If playback stutters, use tools, then preferences to adjust caching values, and demuxer settings for smoother streaming performance. Next, converting with HandBrake. Import the TP file into HandBrake by dragging it onto the application window. HandBrake transcodes the transport stream to MP4 or MKV containers with H.264 or H.265 video for broader device compatibility. Choose appropriate quality presets and audio track selections, then cue the conversion for processing into a standard video format. Finally, editing with VideoReDo. Use VideoReDo TV Suite for frame-accurate editing of TP transport streams without re-encoding. The application removes commercials, trims clips, and joins segments while preserving the original quality. Output to standard MP4 or keep as TS format for compatibility with media servers and playback devices throughout your home network. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.